Welcome to the bridge. I'm Nacho, chief mate, and we are in the most important part of the ship. Of course, if you are the engineer, they will say the engine, but no, this is the brain, this is the eyes, and this is the voice of the ship. As an icebreaker, you will see a lot of nautical equipment. This is the normal that you will find in every ship around the world, from radars, nautical charts, echo sounders. This is our steering gear, and this is basically that's the machine that's allowed to us go forward, stop engine, or backwards. It's a tiny bridge, but it's not the only bridge. We have another smaller bridge, 25 meters over the surface, that you can access through this ladder. It's a tiny place for one person where you stay all your watch in a tiny place, because as higher you are, you can see better where the ice is broken already. So when you are sailing, you don't need to break too much ice, you are just pushing, yeah? That belongs to my daughter, Josefina, and that's the reason, or one of the main reasons why I'm working here. Come with me. This is Half Moon Island, and it's one of the places that we are doing in this moment our science investigation. So you can see, it's so hard to explain what is the feeling when you are here in a place like that, full of penguins, seals, whales, and this is what we need to preserve for the future. And oh yeah, so where do you want to go now?